Hello, Ron here from Sci-Fi Model Shop. Big Charlie was asking me how to make holes in STL files. So Kenny May taught me this, and I thought, well, I'll go ahead and relay that on to him. So in here, if you go up to Object here, Insert, you can do a cylinder like this one here. What I usually do is click right here. I'll change it to 5mm here and 5mm here. Then I have a round object that's going to look like these four here that I created right here. And so all I've done is to do this move right here, and it's got the little arrows. You can move it out, things like that. So we'll deselect it right here. So you would select one of these after you get it positioned to where you want it, and do the edit right here. And if you want that to be part of this, meaning I want a round post here permanently on this, you would hit merge after you do a select all. And that would merge everything that's selected here and selected, here. And these posts, if you do a select all that would be merged. But if you want to make a hole, you would just hit subtract. And it's that easy. So you would do that, you hit deselect, choose next one, subtract, deselect, choose next one, subtract, deselect, do the next one, subtract, deselect. And if you look at this, slide this out of the way, and we'll turn this up, you'll see that there's holes there, and there's holes there. And when you print this out, they'll be perfectly in line because you made the holes with one part on top of another. And just merely move your part up with these arrows wherever you want it. Move it up there, position it to where you want, put your whatever you want to either add or subtract. Add is merge, and subtract is, making that part not there anymore, minus, obviously. So that's just how you do it there, Big Charlie. It's not too bad. It's not too hard. So this is on Windows 11 right here. 3D Builder's getting hard to find. So if it's on your computer, keep it on your computer because it's a pretty valuable tool and it's kind of hard to come by. So this is Ron saying, let's build models, and have a great day.